Welcome to Tech Flavor Hub. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your global news website. Now, the importance of news cannot be overemphasized. In this world, we are driven by information, and the information we pass determine how people see things, how people reason. Now, if you want to really make it, if you want to really have a global recognition, you have to create a platform whereby you can communicate with people. And the best platform to do that is global news. What is global news? Global news is a platform where you talk to people about what is happening. It must not be based on politics or crime, or it can be tech. It can be niche down to a particular niche where you can be updating your audience about. Let's say, for example, I update my audience about new businesses around them, about new businesses around them. So they know that they want to find a particular business around them. They will come to my website to get updates about that. Whenever they want to do something, they will come to my website, update about them, update about that particular thing they want to find. Now that's how things work. You don't just start how should I put it? Don't just start and you are talking about politics. You're talking about crime. You're talking about this and that. That's not how things are done. That's not how things are done. You can niche down to a particular niche. People will be interested to hear. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create global global news website. Global news website is Blogger. And Blogger platform is a free platform that is hosted in Google. Now, first of all, what you have to do is, if you already have a Blogger account, then you can go ahead and go and click create new blog. But if you don't have a Blogger account, first of all, you must have a Gmail account. Now, because of I already have this account, so you will not understand the pattern I'm going to use to create it. So I will go to incognito mode. I'll go to blogger blogger.com. I'll click on enter. Once I click on enter, the next thing I will do the next thing I will do is allow it to load. Okay. Oh, sorry, my internet is poor today. I don't know what is happening. It's because it's raining here, I guess. Publish your passion your way. Create a unique, beautiful blog easily. Now, if I click create a blog, if I click create a blog, now here you can see a little bit information about what you can do with Blogger. And you can see them there. When I click create this thing, it will take me to this page. Now this page will ask me to log into my Blogger, to my Gmail account, which is why Gmail is important. Google have put in everything together that you can access all the products with your Gmail. So they need to create this account, Once you have a Gmail account, you can integrate it with any of the services. If you don't have any Gmail account, you can click on create new account. So I already have a Gmail account. So I will log in. So I will type in my Gmail, and I will log in to the listing, to the Gmail account. Then once I log in, I can now create account. So that's it for here. Let me go back. I will click on here, click on new blog. Okay, once you log in, this place will come out. Put your blog title. We'll say Flavor Global News. Flavor Global News. I would like to use this on as my URL. I'll come now, press this thing. Or remove all this spaces. Click on save. Okay, it will be processed. Once it's processed, our blog is good to go. Let's allow it to process. Okay, it's not processed. So it's not processed. We have created our global news website. So in our next video, I will show you guys how to set up how to make your first global news post on your global news website.